Meet Sarah. She's 49, a teacher, and a mom of two teenagers. Recently, life's felt different. Some days she feels like her body is on a roller coaster she didn't buy a ticket for. What's going on, you ask? Well, Sarah is entering a new chapter in her life. Menopause. Menopause is a natural biological process that marks the end of a woman's reproductive years. It officially is defined as going 12 consecutive months without a period. For most women, this happens between the ages of 45 and 55, but it's more than just the end of periods. It's a journey of hormonal changes. One minute Sarah is freezing, the next she feels like she's sitting in a sauna. Then there are sleepless nights. It's like her brain refuses to switch off. Sarah's not alone. Common symptoms of menopause include hot flashes and night sweats, sleep disturbances, mood swings and irritability, memory lapses or brain fog, changes in libido, vaginal dryness, and discomfort. Understanding the cause. During menopause, your ovaries produce less estrogen and progesterone, the two hormones that regulate your menstrual cycle. This hormonal shift is what causes most of the symptoms. Think of it as your body recalibrating itself for a new phase of life. Managing menopause. Here are some strategies Sarah discovered. Lifestyle changes. Eat a balanced diet rich in calcium, vitamin D, and fiber. Exercise regularly to boost mood and bone health. Practice mindfulness or yoga to reduce stress. Open conversations. Talk to friends or join a support group. Sharing helps. Consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Medical options. Hormone Replacement Therapy, HRT, can help with severe symptoms. Non-hormonal treatments and supplements are also available. Self-care. Prioritize sleep. Create a bedtime routine that works for you. Use products designed for vaginal health and comfort. Menopause isn't the end of something, it's a new beginning. It's a chance to rediscover yourself, embrace changes, and prioritize your well-being.